Hi everybody! Today's video will be the first in a new series where we take you on some day trips here in the Shimanami Kaido area to a few of our favorite places to visit. First, let's go visit Rabbit Island. While Rabbit Island sounds like a beautiful, magical place, which it is, it also has a bit of a dark history, which makes it an interesting juxtaposition for a place to visit. Here on the Rabbit Island website, you can see these adorable bunnies that are friendly and just ready for you to feed them snacks. And it talks about the Poison Gas Museum. Here it says, adorable rabbits and the dark history of the island. The two antitheses give the island a more mysterious touch. Being the center of chemical weapons research and production until 1945 under complete secrecy, the island now offers a museum which displays and preserves memory of the cruel aspects of Japan's World War II history. But also, cute bunnies. First of all, where is Rabbit Island located within Japan? The Shimanami Kaido is here where that red marker is. You can see it's a series of islands connected by 7 suspension bridges spanning Hiroshima Prefecture in the north to Ehime Prefecture in the south. Rabbit Island is not part of the bridge network, but it's easy to get there by ferry. So here in the middle, Ōmishima Island, that's where we live. And these dashed lines show you the ferry route for getting to Rabbit Island. You can see there's a ferry here from Ōmishima that goes directly there, as well as 2 ferries from Hiroshima Prefecture. To get to Rabbit Island from Ōmishima, it's only about 15 minutes on the ferry. I took some footage of that, so you'll see that in just a minute. Photo and video was not allowed inside the museums on the island, which talk about the dark history, but I found it particularly interesting that Okunoshima was actually removed from maps for a certain period of time, and the passing train lines had a large wall built, so people riding on the train couldn't even look out to the island and notice that it did not exist on the maps. If we zoom in on the map here, you can see there are a lot of different locations to visit. These are museums, ruins, and things that show you more of the history of the island, as well as a visitor center. They have an onsen and a gift shop. Pro tip, take some cabbage from the store. They really like that. Most people bring rabbit pellets. They sell rabbit pellets on the ferry and in the island, so the rabbits are very happy if you bring some green cabbage. We had a great time on Rabbit Island. It's definitely a place I will go back to visit. We had a good excuse to go while our friend Marcus was visiting us from Australia. He wanted to come here and help us with some renovations for a few days during his vacation here in Japan. So, of course, we also took him to do some fun local things while he was here. It was a great excuse for Evan and I because we are working a lot. We rarely take the time to go on these cute touristy sightseeing things in our area, even though we've now been here in Japan for 2 years now. We just passed the 2 year mark. Hopefully, it'll help you with your trip planning when you come visit Ōmishima Island and the surrounding Shimanami Kaido area. Maybe you'll even stay at Benton Guesthouse. Let us know what you think of this kind of video in the comments down below, and if we should make some more of these. See y'all next time.